Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorine in no man's sky. We'll cover the simple steps to get this valuable resource. First, you'll need a refiner, which is a crucial piece of equipment for any aspiring space explorer. We'll then look at the basic ingredients required to start your chlorine production. This guide will help you quickly boost your inventory. To begin, you'll need two key elements: salt and oxygen. Salt is abundant underwater, often found in large deposits, or you can refine kelp for it. Oxygen can be harvested from various plants on planets, collected with an oxygen harvester, or purchased from space stations. Having a good supply of both will make your chlorine production much smoother. Now for the magic. The simplest method is to place 1 unit of salt into your refiner, which will produce 1 unit of chlorine. For a much more efficient process, combine 1 unit of chlorine with 2 units of oxygen. This powerful reaction will yield 6 units of chlorine, multiplying your output significantly. A large refiner is ideal for this. By continuously refining chlorine with oxygen, you can quickly generate vast amounts of this valuable element. This method is incredibly efficient for scaling up your production. Chlorine is essential for crafting many advanced technologies and components. Furthermore, it sells for a high price at space stations, making it an excellent way to earn millions of units.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.